Alright, we got some speakers hooked up to the Marantz 2226B. And I'm sorry that these are the first speakers I had to hook up to it, because these speakers are garbage. If you ever get a chance to buy a set of 8810s, don't. Unless you pay 10 bucks for them like I did with these ones. Which I had to replace all the smaller speakers, but the subs and the knobs were good, so what the heck. But here it is, man. That sounds pretty damn good. Of course, a YouTube video isn't going to do it justice, but... There she is. Man, I wish I had better speakers hooked up to it, though.
You know the rhythm is right. You know the rhythm is right. We gotta rock all night. We gotta rock all night. You know the rhythm is right. We gotta rock all night. You know the rhythm is right. We gotta rock all night.
But yeah, don't ever buy any of those. Like I say, unless they're really cheap or free. Okay, so those of you that don't know, what FM muting does is when you're changing through the channels, sometimes your sub will it'll kick out really far. Like it could hurt it from, let's see if I can show you.
Ever imagine. Party, Mr. Speaker.
Well, it ain't loud enough to do it now, but it can do some damage to your speaker just through going to the channels. It gets a really hard bass kick or whatever happens. But so the FM muting, instead of getting every little crappy thing and every little weak signal, it eliminates the noise. Let's see, I kick it off.
Your kids got home safe. Stay connected.
What I just want to do for you.
But there she is. Let's see if we can't find some good music to play through it. I'll play the auxiliary or whatever and it works alright. Oh man, if it had some real speakers, it would probably sound killer.